Let's delve into how to qualify for TANF. Stick around till the end to grasp all the details. To be eligible for TANF, you need to meet certain criteria. Residency: you must be a resident of the state where you're applying for aid. Citizenship status: you must be a U.S. citizen or a legal qualified alien. Income level: you must be either unemployed or underemployed, with low or very low income. Moderate or above average income may lead to ineligibility. Eligible child: an eligible child must meet TANF requirements, be unmarried per state law, and be under 18. If they're 18, they must be a full-time student in high school or a recognized vocational institution and anticipate graduating before their 19th birthday. Eligible parent or caretaker: an eligible parent must meet all other requirements and live with an eligible child. For a caretaker, they must be present in the home and supervise or care for an eligible minor. And there you have it. That's how you qualify for TANF. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.